Welcome back to Storytime with Michael. Grandpa as Sprinkles is one of my all-time favorite superhero aliases. I can't wait to see what Sprinkles and Captain Cupcake are up to right now. But before we get to that, I just want to thank all you Dogman fans out there who have sent in your Dogman drawings. So let's check out a few of them right now.
First up, we have Ayla from the United States. What a celebration! And I love that Crunky, Bub, and Piggy got in on the fun. Great work, Ayla. Next up, we have Ethan from Cumming, Georgia. I love it when Dogman and ADHD team up. Flippy doesn't stand a chance. Great work, Ethan. And next, we have Everett from Torrance, California. What a colorful bunch. These are three sharp-looking crime fighters ready to take on any villain. Great work, Everett.
If you want in on the fun, head on over to storytimewithmichael.com/draw, link in the description to submit your own Dogman drawings. And subscribe to this channel to be the first to know when the next video is released. It's time for Dogman Big Jim Begins by Dav Pilkey.
Chapter 5. Commander Cupcake and Sprinkles. I can't believe you talked me into this. How humiliating. I look ridiculous. Cupcake mirror. Ridiculously awesome. Can I get some weapons at least? Like knife claws? That's a swell idea, Sprinkles. Huff, puff, puff. Cupcake weapons. Puff, huff, huff. Now hold these between your fingers. Hey, these are crayons. You have to use your imagination. For we are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams. Amen. Shift, flush. Just open the door, you weirdo. Okay. No, wait. Move over here. Okay. Perfect. Now I'll hide where it's safe. Okay, press that button. You heard the man. Ready? I adore thee. Beep. 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 Well, Sprinkles, Sprinkles? Squish. There you are. Plop. Silly Sprinkles. Come on, buddy. It's time to save the world. Wait a minute, and let go of my tail. I only agreed to wear this silly costume so I could get out of jail. Now, I'm done with costumes. Done with superheroes, and done with you. Oh, Dogman. Guess what, Dogman? Grandpa just escaped from cat jail. And he's being mean. Now, hold on. I can explain. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Go on, flip that bad boy. Ready? Jumpy for grumpy. Now wait just a doggone minute. I'm not, Grandpa. I'm a good guy. Here, let me show you. See? I told you, I'm a hero. I'm Sparkles. Sprinkles. That's what I said. Now scram. It's okay, dog man. Pat, pat, pat. I can handle it from here. Salute. I didn't know you were friends with Dogman. Oh, yes, we go way back. I'll tell you the story. Once upon a time, no! Chapter 6, The Junior Detective Club. Previously on Big Jim's flashback, Mama and Daddy were looking for the ring. They searched all over, but it was never found. So I decided to find the ring myself. How could you do that? You were just a baby. Don't forget, Sprinkles. Bing! I'm the chosen one. You are not the chosen one. I am too. Are not. Am too. You are. Told ya. So anyway, I set out to find the ring. But I knew I need help. So I hired professionals. Junior Detective Club. Clarence is boss. Greg is sniffer of clues. Mysteries solved. $1 plus tax. No refunds.
Don't worry, little kid. We'll help you find that ring.
So we got into a helicopter. Flick. And looked for clues. Whoosh. Wait a minute. Scroop. Clank. Zzz. How did you get a helicopter? Whoosh. Clunk. We used our imaginations. So anyway, we flew all over town, searching for clues, and questioning suspects. Where were you on the night of? Which night was it? On the night he can't remember.
I don't remember.
But then, sniff, sniff, sniff. What is it, Greg? Sniff, sniff. He picked up a scent. Let's go, fellas.
Oh boy, this is gonna be great.
Glazed and confused. Donuts. Fresh.
Uh-oh. Munch, munch, munch. Greg! These aren't the rings we were looking for. Munch, munch, munch. Munch, munch. You shouldn't eat things that don't belong to you. Yeah. Hey, what's the big idea? Who's gonna pay for this? Run! Come back here! Well, well, well. You're going to baby jail.
And so began my journey toward enlightenment.
Wait a minute. You don't even know what enlightenment means. Are you just making up this story?
Maybe. Chapter 7. Meanwhile, in outer space. Captain's log? Yes, Captain Cuddles? How close are we to Earth? About 3 gazillion gloopsnocks. And what about the chosen one? Has she found it? Has she found the ring of destiny and stuff? No, my captain, there was a big mix-up. And how do you know this? I read the first 3 chapters of this book, Captain. Excellent. Now nobody can stop us. The Space Cuties from space shall crash the Earth. Chapter 8. 3 gazillion gloopsnocks later. Whoosh! Clank! So anyway, I got arrested, and I was tried by a jury of my peers. Soon, the verdict came in. Pop! Bubba. That means guilty in baby talk. Full lump. So then, zip! The judge said, goo goo googie gabba, which means,
Would you get to the point?
Sorry, Sprinkles. And so, baby jail. Baby jail was a rough place. No whining, pouting, tantrums, fussing. But I soon found friends.
Hey, you leave that kid alone.
Tiny Tippy, Baby Fluffy, and Whittle Whiskers became my best buddies.
Respect, bump.
And soon, I didn't feel so scared. Mandatory nap time. Little Jim! You've got visitors. It's going to be okay, Little Jim. Just remember, when something bad happens, all you need to do is ask yourself one question. How can I turn this bad thing into something good? Whoosh, whoosh, cha-ping! Suddenly, I could see clearly. I knew my purpose. Pop! No matter how dark things got, it was my job to find the light. Let's go home, Little Jim. Whoosh, baby jail. Say goodbye to your friends. Bye-bye.
I knew it! That whole story was fake.
It's not fake, Sprinkles. It's imagination.
But
Then,
swoosh!
huh?
What was that?
Let's take a look. Whoop! With my super binoculars.
Those aren't binoculars. They're just 2 cardboard toilet paper tubes. You just tape them together. Swipe.
All
I see is a big circus tent.
That's no circus tent. Come, Sprinkles.
How do we get down from here?
That's easy. We just tie our capes together and jump. Whoop. Woo. Hero party free cake. Woo, woo, kaboo, kaboo. Wow, we survived. Without a scratch. Untie. I don't believe it. Bonk, whoosh, crash. Ow. Let's go, Sprinkles, for the night is young, and my cupcake sense is tingling. There's no such thing as cupcake sense!
Oh, Grandpa is totally digging his new partner in crime, Big Jim. Let's just see if he can get used to being Sprinkles as well. Before we head out, let's check out a few more Dogman drawings.
Ozzy from Brea, California drew a very happy Dogman and Little Petey, and a very unhappy Petey. Giovanni from St. Petersburg, Florida drew our crime fighters over a pit of lava. Yikes. Ayo from Nigeria drew Dogman and ADHD teaming up. Weston from Newcastle, Oklahoma got me totally psyched with his own version of the new Dogman movie poster. Giovanni from Vincenttown, New Jersey drew a very happy pup. Elias from Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania sent us a great shot of Chief with his two best buds. Vincente from Alexandria, Virginia drew us a very colorful Dogman looking ready to go. Ari from Gold Coast, Australia sent us a rather dapper looking Dogman. Dominic from Bridgetown, New Jersey is showing us some serious Robot PD action. Gessar from Boston, Massachusetts is bringing to life one of my favorite parts of the Dogman series, the action sequences. Luca from Florence, Italy chose our main man Dogman as one of her first Dogman drawings. Nicely done, Luca. Nicholas from Calgary, Canada drew Petey going after the biggest crime-fighting sensation, Dogman. I'd be careful, Petey. Uh-oh. Gassim from Derby is showing just what happens when things don't go exactly to Petey's plan. Raheem from Florida sent us a drawing of Dogman in action. Marl from Mongolia spent a lot of time getting Dogman to look just right. Looks like it paid off, Marl. Julia from Houston, Texas drew the world's greatest crime-fighting sensation saving the day. Matthew from Bullard, Texas captured our superheroes in action. Iger from Mexico City drew one of my favorite moments where the Super Buddies are going after the Burgle Balls. Dawson from Canada sent us an incredibly colorful drawing of all our favorite Dogman characters. Eve from Sheffield, the United Kingdom is showing us what Dogman does best. Capture the criminal. Aw, poor Petey.
Head on over to storytimewithmichael.com/draw to submit your own Dogman drawings. Link in the description. As always, thanks for watching.